फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूं सुधा झा। मेरा प्रोफेशन है टीचिंग। फॉर लास्ट 22 इयर्स मैं इकोनॉमिक्स पढ़ा रही हूँ बच्चों को। तो चलिए मैं और आप इकोनॉमिक्स की जर्नी की तरफ आगे बढ़ते हैं। I'm moving to the next part, that is direction. What is direction? Actually, when I speak about the direction, it means I want to show the exact location and position of the places in relation to each other. Is your house to the south or to the west, to the east, to the north? So I want to show the exact location and position. That is what is direction. You see, I'm showing you a compass. The first picture here is showing a compass which is carried by the people who move on the sea. Because when we are in the center of the sea, we can't see any land. And then we have to go on moving. In which direction we have to move? So we need this compass. Compass, when it is at rest, it will always show north and south direction. Means the pointing, you can see here, this is brown color here pointing. So this will always point towards north when it is kept at rest. So when we are moving on the sea, okay, or the ocean, so we can see which direction I have to move. I'll be moving in that direction. Yes, it is showing west, means I should move to the west. But when I speak about the direction, we say that there are 4 important directions. Cardinal directions. So now cardinal means north, south, east and west. North, south, east and west. These are cardinal points. Other direction we have is northwest, southwest, northeast, southeast. One very important thing you should know, beta. You always say, I have seen the news. I have read the newspaper. Why the name is newspaper? Why not something else? The reason is news has got 4 letters, NEWS. It means the information is coming from the north of the world, correct? E, east of the world. W, from the west of the world. S means south. It's from all the 4 directions. When I'm getting any information, I call it as news. Today, you might be knowing the full position, full abbreviations. That is, what is the full form of news? NEWS means when we get the information from north, east, west and south. So cardinal directions are 4. That is the cardinal we have. They are north, south, east and west. Other direction, how to remember in exam? Just see my cursor here. When north and east, in between if I make a line from here to here, I will get northeast. बेटा कभी भी पहले नॉर्थ या साउथ लिखा जाता है, बाद में ईस्ट वेस्ट. तो अगर मैंने बीच में यहाँ ड्रॉ किया नॉर्थ और ईस्ट के बीच में, इसका नाम क्या हो जाएगा? नॉर्थ ईस्ट. अगर मैंने इधर ड्रॉ किया, इफ आई एम ड्रॉइंग हियर बिटवीन नॉर्थ एंड वेस्ट, द डायरेक्शन विल बी नॉर्थ वेस्ट. If I draw here between south and west, the name will be southwest. If I draw here, it will be southeast. East south नहीं बोलेंगे, south east. Okay. Come to the next. Symbols. Very important part. What is actually symbols? Symbol means the different signs which are used to read the map. And these signs are common all over the world, not only in India. Even if you are in America or Africa or London or anywhere else, Japan, the map will have the same symbol and you can know that this symbol is meant for this particular path. So all over the world, we have the same common sign and we call it as symbols. And these, in the common language, we say it as conventional symbols. So if I ask what is a symbol in the map, or if I ask you what is conventional symbols in map, it should be different signs used to read the map, which is common all over the world. Beta, when in car you are moving or you're coming on the rickshaw also to the school, on the road there are some signs: pedestrian, school ahead, turn left, no overtaking. ये सब क्या है? All these are conventional symbols. रोड साइन तो है, Because the symbols all over the world means the same. It's not that in Bihar I'll have separate, in Tamil Nadu I'll have separate, in Delhi it is separate. No. Some symbols I'm showing you because this will be a part which we have to learn. Just see here, boundaries. When I have to make international boundary, the gap is too much. Can you see here? And these are broader also. Chauda bhi hota hai. This will be broader, thicker, and the gap is more. When I'm coming to state boundaries, national वाले से थोड़ा पतला होगा. जब हम स्टेट बाउंड्री की बात कर सकते हैं तो पतली पतली गैप्स होती है और देखो गैप भी थोड़ा कम कम है. सो इंटरनेशनल इज नेशनल इससे थोड़ा कम पतला होता है, ये मोटा होता है बेटा, थोड़ा चौड़ा होता है. When I'm coming to roads, metal means पक्का roads, वो आपको straight line दिखाया जाएगा. It means these are metal roads. If you see this symbol anywhere, okay, you'll come to know that metal road is there. कच्चा रोड है गांव सब में कहीं कहीं, तो हमें क्या सिंबल आएगा? इस तरह से डॉटेड लाइंस, 2 डॉटेड लाइंस. इट मींस इट इज नॉट मेटल. रिवर मुझे दिखाना है तो 2 ऐसी लाइन बनी रहेगी, टेढ़ी मेढ़ी लाइन जा रही है अप एंड डाउन बिकॉज वी शो द वाटर मूव्स लाइक दैट. टैंक, कैन सी हियर टैंक सिंबल इज शोन. टैंक इज हियर. देन सी डैम, क्योंकि ये ऊपर हमने बना दिया और नीचे से पानी छोड़ते हैं, डैम का सिंबल दे. स्प्रिंग, पानी का झरना, पूरे अच्छे से फ्लो करते हैं चारों तरफ, इसलिए दिखा दी. कॉनिफर ट्री, लंबी ट्री होती है और बहुत सारे पत्ते उसके नीचे की तरफ रहते हैं, दैट इज व्हाई वी कॉल इट एज कॉनिफर ट्री. Deciduous tree because they shed their leaves and totally it becomes without leaf in dry season. Bridge, if I have to show, see 2 straight lines with you see the corners, edges you see. Correct, turn a little bit. So this is bridge. Otherwise there is no difference between the metal roads and the bridge. यहाँ पे देखो metal road ये है, bridge ये. What we have done in the bridge, we have made this at the ending part of both the sides, we have made 2 rectangular areas there. Railway line, ब्रॉड गेज, जो चौड़ी लाइन वाली ट्रेन चलती है जिसपे आप और हम बड़े बड़े जगह जाते हैं, दूर दूर जगह जाते हैं, तो ब्रॉड गेज को हम ऐसे शो करते हैं. मीटर गेज, छोटी गेज की, जो एट प्रेजेंट अभी कहीं नहीं चल रही है, इट हैज बीन स्टॉप्ड, अर्लियर इट वाज देयर, सो वी वर हैविंग मीटर गेज. टेंपल, मंदिर इस तरह से दिखेगा. मॉस्क, इस तरह से डिफरेंस यही है, मॉस्क का ऊपर वाला सर्कल में है एंड टू यू कैन सी हियर टॉम्स, दे आर शोइंग इन दैट वे. Church, we have made like this rectangular square box and plus sign on it. Village, gaon aisa. So there are many more conventional symbols, correct, which we will be reading. Now color scheme. Why we use color in the map? Different colors are used to represent the different landforms of Earth. अब landform क्या होता है? कहीं पे plains है, कहीं पे plateaus है, कहीं पे डेजर्ट है, कहीं पे पानी है, नदी है, कहीं पे फॉरेस्ट है, कहीं पे खाली माउंटेन्स है. So we call them as landforms. So landform means the physical features which can be a plain, it can be a plateau, it can be the coastal area, it can be the rivers, correct, or it can be the sea coast, correct. So these all are the landforms. So different colors we are using. For example, if I'm showing green, means plain land. I'm showing yellow, desert area, but here a little bit in this particular picture, like Rajasthan, they had to show in full yellow, but they have shown us pink, little bit. And then when I move to these areas, if the mountains are there, I should show dark brown. This particular area should be blue because it is showing water. So everywhere in the world, whenever there is a blue color on the map, it means we are showing water. If it is yellow color, it means I'm showing the desert area. If it is green color, plain land where crops can be grown. Red color, plateau region. Correct? So like that, we can use different colors. Now see beta. Before I come, there are something more. This notice every time I'm giving you that the lecture, what is being taken by me, will be uploaded on YouTube, maybe within 1-2 days. So you have, even when you forget, please see this YouTube channel. That is why I requested everyone to subscribe it. If you subscribe whenever you want, you can see all the lectures. Now, some children may be having some doubts. So I'm just on the chat box also you down, and I'm going to unmute for 1 or 2 minutes. going to make it more small so that I can see the time also here.
तुमको दो रिक्वेस्ट भेजेंगे
Ma'am, I have subscribed your channel.
You
Everyone should subscribe.
send any video that is of class 6.
Passionate channel I have uploaded for 9, 10, 11 and 12. So you will first you need to
Ma'am, yes ma'am. We can't hear you.
Yes sir, your voice is not clear.
This is very low.
Ma'am, it is very low.
who can't hear that the voice is low, just when I have mute you all, that time you can hear it, or when I unmute it. Correct. Now any query, beta, question, please put up your question in the chat box. Put up your question in the chat box. No question. Should I go for unmute? Yes. Question, beta. Yeah, green is for land, cultivable area. Blue for water. Who has written this? Very good. Mansvi Sharma. Blue water, yellow desert, dark brown for mountain, green for plain lands, red for plateau. Very good. Next, any other question? Meter gauge. Beta, when very small distance train earlier were moving. In some of the old movies, you say if you want to see Darjeeling जा रही है ट्रेन, वो 3-4 डब्बा होता था और थोड़ा ही दूर वो खाली घुमाने के लिए यूज होता था. तो उसका जो डिस्टेंस होता था ना बिटवीन द ट्रैक, वो डिस्टेंस बहुत कम होता था, उसको मीटर गेज कहते थे. अभी जो डिस्टेंस है वो 1.5 मीटर का, सभी में अभी ब्रॉड गेज ही चलता है. अब मीटर गेज हट गया है, पर पुरानी मूवीज में आपको दिखेगा वैसी ट्रेन चलती थी, खाली इंडिया में नहीं, बहुत जगह. Yeah, these trees and all, beta, there is a chapter forest that I'll be teaching. Any other query? So beta, these points when I'll be sharing it now, so you'll learn these points. All the forest, deciduous, coniferous, correct, mountain forest, thorny forest, all this in forest chapter I'm going to explain you how. We have a chapter there which is in second term after half yearly. Correct. Ayushi has got everything very good. Beta, Sandhya, first you subscribe Passionate Teacher, go there. There are so many videos. You see it is written class 6. Correct. Class 6, and then you can see. And it will be uploaded. Okay. So subscribe today itself, and then you can see class 6 as soon as it comes. Okay. Because I'm running short with the time. Any query, beta, from today's class? Okay. And beta, timing, class, everything you have to see on Google, which day you are having. And I'm lucky that continuously I'm teaching you, and may God help me that the whole chapter I should teach you. How many types of map? This is next class, beta. Next class I'm going to teach you types of map. One more important thing I want to say, beta. If you have any type of atlas in your house, old, new, maybe of your father's time, maybe of your brother's time, any atlas which you have, today you take out the atlas, see the conventional symbols which are used in atlas. See the colors they are using to show different landforms. See how they are showing the direction. Correct. See the scale, everywhere it is mentioned. And then you take help of your mother and father, explain to them, or your elder brother and sister. See, you will learn these things very nicely. About the forest and tree, I said in the forest chapter I'll be teaching. Yes. Any more query? So atlas also you have to see today to find the different colors used for different landforms. This is your homework. I'll be just uploading 2 questions and you have to draw conventional symbols in your old copy, new copy, whatever copy you are making now. All the conventional symbols you have to make at least, I'll be writing there, should be 15 in number. So you have to take help of atlas. Correct? Then scale. What is a scale? That you will get from this video only the definition and the diagram. From the video itself you can write it down. Okay. Anything else? No more questions are coming, beta. Path Sati, no questions. Yes, class 6 content, beta 1-2 days it will take. I'm uploading it. Class 6 content you can see in 1-2 days, but you subscribe and be ready. उसमें आ जाएगा आपके पास notice class 6. Okay. No questions, no questions. It means everything is very clear, beta, everyone. Next day the topic will be types of map. Okay. So snap homework. Can we draw from old book? Yeah, but a book is not going to change. 100% is not going to change. But those who don't have book, don't worry that I'm not having book. Please download e-book from your DAV CMC We and Our World. We and Our World. This is the name of your book. Okay, so editings are very good, ma'am, of the video part. Thank you. बेटा DAV CMC में आप चले जाएंगे और BR DAV वेबसाइट पर भी है, आप वहां से भी डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं ई बुक. आपके बुक का नाम ना सोशल साइंस नहीं लिखा होगा, वी एंड आवर वर्ल्ड. ओके, OUR, आवर आप बोलते हैं पर आर इज द प्रोनाउंसिएशन. ओके, सो this much for the day today. So very clearly you have understood. Correct, beta? So should we come with the end of this? I'm taking very small topics so that you can remember it and you should get full out of full marks whenever there is exam. Okay. So Mridul is ready for that. Good. So everyone is ready for that. So no problem if you can't hear properly that channel, you can hear the voice very nicely. Okay, beta. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.